In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pair the IKEA Styrbar remote with your IKEA smart lighting system. Whether you're new to smart lighting or looking to enhance your home's ambiance with IKEA's latest technology, this guide will help you step through the entire process smoothly. Let's start by gathering what you'll need. First, ensure you have your Styrbar remote with batteries already installed. Alongside the remote, you'll need a compatible IKEA smart bulb, panel, or driver. For those who'll be using the IKEA Home Smart app, it's optional but recommended to have a TRÅDFRI Gateway or DIRIGERA Hub at hand. Before pairing, if your light has been connected previously to any device, it's a good idea to reset it. This can be done by turning the light on and off quickly, 6 times in succession. You should see the bulb flash. That's your indicator that the reset was successful. Now, you're ready to pair the Styrbar with a light. Position the remote very close to the light, ideally within 2 centimeters or just under an inch. On the back of the Styrbar, you'll find a pairing button. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. You'll know it's worked when the light blinks once, which signals successfully pairing. Once they're paired, your remote grants you the power to turn the light on and off, dim or brighten it, and change the color temperature if your bulb supports it. These functions can dramatically alter the mood of your space with just a simple touch. If you're integrating your lighting with the IKEA Home Smart app using the DIRIGERA Hub or TRÅDFRI Gateway, open the app and add the device by selecting Add Device, followed by Add Remote, and then choose Styrbar. Follow the app's guided instructions, which will once again involve holding the pairing button. Once setup is complete, you'll have command over your lights, scenes, and automations all from your smartphone. For those needing to control multiple lights, the Styrbar can handle this too. Start by pairing your remote with the first light as described earlier. For additional lights, simply hold the remote near each one and press the pairing button once. A single blink will confirm each successful link, allowing you to extend your control to more spaces. Here are a few pro tips to help you get the most from your remote. The Styrbar is capable of controlling up to 10 lights in a single group. Additionally, for consistent performance, keep the remote within 10 meters or about 33 feet of your lights or hub. If you experience any issues with pairing, try removing the batteries, wait around 10 seconds, and then attempt pairing once more. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you set up your smart lighting with IKEA's Styrbar remote. Enjoy the comforts and convenience of a smart home.